Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can log out of Google Photos, so let's get right into it. Now, firstly, on computer, it is very easy to log out of Google Photos. What you need to do, because usually your browser will be set to a default Google account if you have several accounts, and if you have several tabs open, what you need to do is close all the tabs which you have open, and then just go here at the top right, click on your account, and just go sign out of all accounts. And that should sign you out of all accounts through the whole web browser, and the next account you log into will be your default. But once you log out, that will log you out of Google Photos as well. Now, to log out on mobile, what you need to do, especially if you're on Android, you need to go into your device settings, or in Android settings, go under users and accounts, and then tap on and remove account for each app. And that should be the way in which you can log out of Google Photos. Now, on iOS, I'm pretty sure you can just the same, click on your account image and then just sign out from there, or you can go into your device system or settings and just log out from there. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.